Yeah, good morning, good evening to all. Yesterday we started structures. Today we'll continue and structures and unions we discussed today. Okay? Yeah, yesterday we discussed structure declaration we discussed. How to declare the structure and how to create a variable. Structure variables also we declared. Structure variables. How to create a structure variables. We know we can create structure variables two ways, as a local variable and as a global variable. Yesterday we discussed. After that, what did we discuss? Okay, how to access structure elements we discussed. How to access structure elements. Okay, we know this. We can access the structure elements two ways. One is using structure variable and other one is structure pointer. Next we discuss now. Next we discuss nested structures. Sorry, uh, nameless structures. Okay. After that we discuss structure initialization. We discuss what is nameless structure. What is nameless structure? Right. When we are creating a structure, mentioning the label name is optional. Right. When we are declaring or when we are creating a structure. When we are creating a structure, next one, nameless structure. When we are creating a structure, mentioning the label name is optional. Mentioning the label name is optional. Label name is optional. Okay. Okay. If label name is not available, compiler creates nameless structure. Okay. When we are creating a structure, mentioning the label name is optional. If there is no label name, if label name is not available, okay, if label name is not available, if label name is not available, then if label name is not available, then compiler creates nameless structure. Then compiler creates nameless structure. Okay, see, what is nameless structure? Now I will show you. Okay, see, when we are creating a structure, creating in the label name is optional. Okay, how to create a nameless structures? Now we discuss. See this, how to create a nameless structures. Okay, take a compiler, Turbo C compiler. It is a 16-bit compiler, right? 16-bit compiler. Okay, it supports TC 3.0 and 4.0 also. Okay, versions there. See, what are the standards are there also we discuss. Okay, which standard it supports we'll discuss. Okay, what is nameless structure? See, now I am declaring struct student. If I write a struct student, that is called student structure. Okay, if you did not mention this, then it is called nameless structure. Then it is called nameless structure. Example, I want to declare and x and y. See, two variables I am declaring. Declaring x and y. Okay, how to access these x and y we discuss now. Void main, can I create a local and global variables we discuss. Okay, how to create a local variables and how to create a global variables. Yesterday class we discussed. Okay, local, this is called, if I declare here s1, that is called global variable. Is it possible or not we discuss. Okay, I want to print x and y values. If I print x and y, that is garbage values first. Okay, how to print that those x and y values? Now I want to print a use printf, print x and y values. How to print x and y values? You know this, percentile. How to access the structure elements? Okay, if it is a structure variable, we can write s1 dot x comma and s1 dot y. Okay, this is a structure variables accessing using structure members accessing using structure variable. Okay, save as any name dot c, any name dot c. See this, save as dot c extension. Is it possible or not? We check it, compile once. Is it valid or not? There is no error. Nameless structures are valid. Nameless structures are valid. Execute them. How to execute this? See this, garbage values, not garbage value. Global variable initial values are zeros. Okay, if I create a local variable, how to create a local variable? Is it valid or not? How to create a local variable? Yesterday we discussed struct. If label name is the student, we have written yesterday struct to student. Okay, if there is no label name, can I write s19? Now it is a local variable. Compile once. There is no errors. Okay, once execute. This is it is taking as a local variable also 0. It is taking. Example, we come remove the one error. Undefined symbol s1. Undefined symbol s1. Okay, what it is showing local variable. Can I create a local variable? Is it valid or not? Undefined structure. Undefined structure. It is showing error. We can create a global variable. We can't create a local variable. See, it is showing error. Okay, this is error. We can't create local variables. We cannot create. We cannot create local variables. We can create local variables for nameless structures. We can create a global variables. We can create a global variable. Now it is error here. We should not. If I write s1, then it takes s1. Here it is taking s1. This value is 0 and 0. Okay, if global variable is available, then it is not giving any error. See, it is not giving. It is not taking. This is not declared. Or it is taking as a other structure stuck to s1. We are creating another structure. It is showing. Okay, it's a local structure. Are you following? It is not taking as a local variable. It is not taking as a local variable. We cannot create a structure variable. If you want to assign the value, how to assign the value? S1 dot x equals to 10 and S1 dot y equals to 20. Now x and y value, see this 10 and 20. This is called nameless structure, right? First declare nameless structure. Just how to create a nameless structure. Struct. That's it. Okay, write this first. This is a syntax and write this program. Okay, nameless structure. Nameless structure. Write this nameless structure.